Profit and loss.
Yes, miss.
Page number is 115.
119 for me.
Profit and loss. Profit and loss are the two terms when you.
Oh no.
Are you listening?
Yes, miss.
Okay. Profit and loss में कब होता है? Whenever you sell a good, है ना?
Yes.
तभी होता है ना? इससे पहले नहीं होता है.
Yes.
And when you're supposed to sell a good, है ना? Then you
Yes.
must buy it,
Yes.
है ना? So buying or selling. Wait a second. When you buy a good, or when you invest on a good, it is called cost price. Cost price. That is what which you invest, है ना?
Okay.
And the selling price is well known term, है ना? At which you sell the good, right?
Yes.
Cost price and selling price, and there's another term, mark price. What is mark price? Which is marked on that good, है ना?
MRP.
MRP is, right? Cost price, as written in this page, the price at which an article is purchased is called its cost price. Selling price. Read these terms, Krisha. All the 5 notes.
Cost price, CP. The price at which an article is purchased is called its cost price. 2. Selling price, SP. The price at which an article is sold is called its selling price. 3. Profit or gain. Profit or gain is equal to SP minus CP. Loss is
Selling price is selling price minus cost price. How do you consider it is a profit or loss? If the selling price is greater than the cost price, then it must be profit.
yes.
And if it is lesser than the CP,
So then
Because
loss
we
is
know.
equal to CP minus SP.
gain or loss is always reckoned on CP. Gain or loss we always consider on the cost price. है ना? हम हमेशा इसी से compare करेंगे.
Yes.
Gain or loss. Okay. Write down all the formulas in your notebook.
The formula.
Okay, skip the writing, you'll just read it out. Gain percent, gain into 100 divided by cost price, loss percent, loss multiplied by 100 divided by cost price. And in the 0.5, gain or loss is always reckoned on CP. है ना? So gain भी और loss भी दोनों ही हम at cost price we will find out.
Yes.
Selling price is 100 plus gain percent divided by 100 multiplied with CP. You have to learn these formulas. Okay, important cases. If an article is sold at a profit, say 20%, then selling price is 120% of CP. Suppose if I say like there's a marker, and I'm saying that you are selling it at 20% profit. If I say you're selling it at 20% profit, then the selling price must be 120% of CP. Know the thing? है ना? Selling price है, profit है, loss है ना?
No.
Always consider it on cost price. If I say like you are selling this marker at 20% profit, 20% profit, 20% of what? 20% of cost price. Alright, 20% more, 20% more of a cost price. So the cost, so selling price will be 120% of CP.
Yes.
and 120% of CP. Next point. If an article is sold at a loss of 20%, then selling price equal 80% of CP, right? When a person sells two similar items, one page
120 for me.
If an article, when a person sells two similar items, one at a gain of say X% and the other at a loss of X%, then the seller always incurs a loss given by loss equal to X upon 10 square. What they are saying, if you are selling this marker at 20% profit and the same marker at 20% loss. You have two marker, one you are selling at 20% profit and the other one you are selling it on 20% loss. So the overall profit or gain, overall loss, profit or loss. So the overall loss will be what?
If that loss is 20%, then that means it will be 80%, no? Which is left.
No, Risha, overall. Read the question, read this statement again. When a person sells two similar items, one at a gain of X%, X% profit and X% loss, X% profit and X% loss. So the overall loss, है ना? Will be X upon 10 raised to 2. Clear?
Yes.
What you are saying, 80% what?
So wait,
Let's
first
see.
we'll divide 2 by 10 and then square it, no?
Huh?
So 2 per square 4.
4% loss. Right?
Okay.
Okay. This is loss percent. If a seller sells his good at cost price but uses false weight, then learn the formula. Gain percent equal to error upon true value minus error multiply with 100.
Should I write these formulas?
You should. Or you can revise them 5 times or 6 times just to keep in mind.
Okay.
And you can write it after the class. अभी लिखना है तो आप अभी भी लिख सकते हो. It will take time. है ना? अभी तो आपके पास लिखे हुए हैं ये on screen.
Yeah.
Have you learned algebraic formulas? Those identities you remember, a plus b whole square minus b whole square and all that stuff. अच्छा कर लिया ना learn?
Yeah.
अच्छा.
I think so.
Tell me what is a square minus b square?
A square
minus b square.
A square plus b square minus 2ab.
First, second, third. What is a square minus b square equals to what?
A square plus b square minus 2ab.
And what is a plus b whole square?
A square plus b square plus 2ab.
What is a minus b whole square?
That is equal to minus b square.
That is equal to this.
Yes.
है ना? And what is a square minus b square is a plus b multiply with a minus
Minus
b.
B.
ठीक है?
Yes.
Do not get confused the whole square and the square of single term.
Wait, so the whole square is. Let me just shift your camera a little. So a minus b whole square is a square plus plus b square, and a square minus b square is a plus b. Okay.
Okay. A square minus b square is always a plus b into a minus b, and these two formulas are almost same. Okay.
Yes. One second.
Okay. Come to question number 1 of profit and loss.
One second. One second.
What are you doing, Risha?
Nothing. Oh, I have to close my phone. Done.
Shall
Okay.
we start? Okay, question number 1 is a vendor bought 6 oranges for rupees 10. 6 oranges for rupees 10, right? Like 6 oranges in 10 rupees. And sold them at 4 for rupees 6. 4 oranges for rupees 6. Find his loss or gain percent. Okay, that's the price at what he bought the oranges, and this is the selling price.
Yes.
Okay?
Yes.
But they haven't mentioned how many oranges he bought. That's the price.
Yeah.
Price is always on per quantity.
Yes.
6 oranges per 10 rupees and 4 oranges for 6 rupees. That's, we can say CP, and that is SP. Let's see. The LCM of 6 and 4 is
12.
12.
Yeah. No? Yeah. 6. Correct.
Let's say he bought 12 oranges. Let's say he bought 12 oranges. How much it will cost for him? 12 oranges? 20.
Yes.
He bought at price of 6 oranges. 6 oranges for 10 rupees. And he
Yes.
bought 12 oranges. So the CP will be 20 rupees for 12 oranges.
Yes.
And 12 oranges when he sell at 6 rupees for 4 oranges. 4 for 6. So 3.
So 3 are so 30
18,
rupees.
18 rupees.
How?
4 oranges for rupees 6. How many oranges he is selling? 12.
Yes.
4 plus 4 plus 4. 6 rupees, 6 rupees, 6 rupees.
Okay. Yes.
18 rupees.
Yes.
Selling price is 18 rupees.
Yes.
Okay. So cost price is 20 rupees. Selling price is 18 rupees. What is it? Profit or loss?
It is profit.
What?
Profit.
Profit. Cost price 20. 20 gives.
Oh, 20. 20. Sorry. Yeah.
20. CP is 20. Selling price is 18.
So 2 rupees.
So the difference is 2 rupees. What is 2 rupees is what? The loss. 2 rupees loss. And we always consider profit and loss on the cost price.
No, but how loss? It should be profit, no?
Acha, profit hai. He bought oranges for rupees 20. 20 rupees he invested to buy oranges. Okay? And when it time to sell them, he got only 18 rupees.
Oh, okay.
में उसने लिए and in 18 he sold them.
हाँ, so 2 rupees का loss.
Loss हो गया उसको. ठीक है? हो गया loss.
Yes.
2 rupees is the loss. Now, what percentage of loss? We will consider it on basis of cost price. है ना? हमने भी पढ़ा भी था. So this is 2/20 into 100.
There should be loss into 100 upon CP. So loss
On CP.
into 100 upon CP,
Upon
which
CP.
is 6. So 200 upon 6.
200 upon 6.
Yes.
6 कहाँ से है बच्चे? 6 कहाँ है?
That is a cost CP.
CP is 20. What is it? What you thought? What is it? 20. क्या है ये?
So 10. 10% loss.
Wow. दोबारा बताऊं? फिर से करूं?
No, I got it now.
Question number 2. Read question number 2.
By selling 33 meters of cloth, one gains the selling price of 11 meters. Find the gain percent.
By selling 33 meter of cloth. Let's say this is 33 meter. 33 meter of cloth. है ना? One gains the selling price of 11 meter. When he sells this much amount of cloth, he gain 11, let's say. He gained the selling price of 11 meter. The selling price of 11 meter. जब भी वो इतना amount, इतनी meter, इतनी length of cloth, when he sells this part, he gains as a profit. And 11 meter he gains. Whenever he sells 33 meter of cloth, that means it will cost him this much, only 11 and 11, 22. देखो, सुनो. Selling price of 33 meter. Selling price of 33 meter, है ना? Minus cost price of 33 meter equals to gain of 11 meter.
Yes.
हाँ? SP. What? Yes. यही तो बोल रही थी पहले भी.
Yeah, no?
ठीक है, 33 meter of cloth. 33 meter of cloth. Whenever he sells 33 meter of cloth, he gains, or we can say he got back the price of 11 meter of cloth. जब भी उसने इतनी लेंथ का कपड़ा whenever he sells, उससे इतना उसको प्रॉफिट हो रहा है, we can say इतने पार्ट का. तो ठीक है, that means उसकी इन्वेस्टमेंट तो इतनी हुई ना.
Yes.
This one वाला part is the profit.
Yeah.
So the selling price of 33 meter, selling price of this meter, selling price of 33 meter minus cost price of 33 meter. Selling price में से cost price minus करेंगे, only then we get the profit, ना?
Yeah, but they are
Selling
not
price.
given the cost price.
हाँ. तो उन्होंने selling price भी कहाँ दिया है?
Nothing they give.
Selling price of 33 meter minus cost price of 33 meter equals to selling price of 11 meter.
Yes.
Selling price of 11 meter. That is gain. That is gain. है ना? The gain isn't in rupees here. उन्होंने वो भी quantity में ही दिया, है ना? Measurement. Whenever they sell this much of length, this wala part is of gain, है ना? That means that will be the CP. Listening?
No, I'm confused. But why you took only 2 parts?
Acha, Vishu, I'm again. When you have any good, okay, whatever it is, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You have 8 article, whatever it is, and I am telling you, जब भी आप इसको sell करते हो, है ना? You got 2 of them as profit. This one and this one. Huh?
Yes.
You got 2 of them as profit. That means whenever you bought 8 of them, and how much you invested, let's say X rupees, cost price. Okay, in X rupees, you bought 8 of them.
Yeah.
And when you sell them, you got these 2 as a profit.
Okay.
These 2 as a profit means, let's say 1, 2, 3, 4. These are for 80 rupees. Let's say. Okay. In 80 rupees, you buy these 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 articles. Okay.
Yes.
Yeah. That means 10 for rupees each. 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10, 10 and 10. Hana?
Yes.
10 and 10. Now you sell them at rupees 100 for the whole batch. For the whole batch, है ना? आपने ये पूरा सेट 100 में सेल कर दिया, ठीक है? 100 में सेल कर दिया.
Yes.
तो फिर difference is of rupees 20.
Oh, yes.
20. These two in 20 rupees, you can buy these 2 ना?
Yes.
आया आप समझ में? So you have profit of these 2 ना? Let's not consider it in rupees. You're buying these goods. ठीक है, आपने ये इतने दे दिए, लेकिन आपको इतने 2 और बच गए आपके पास, ऐसे बोल सकते हैं. ठीक है, ये 2 आर्टिकल.
Okay.
So let's not talk about the rupees. You have profit of these 2 goods, these 2 articles. Yeah.
Yes.
So selling price of 33 meter minus cost price of 33 meter equals to selling price of 11 meter. Yeah.
Yes.
Selling price of 11 meter. This is SP 33 meter minus CP 33 meter equals to SP of 11 meter, right?
Yes.
Yes. Acha. Selling price of 33 meter minus cost price of 33 meter. This time is clear. तभी तो profit और loss होता है ना, but the profit they haven't given in rupees. In the goods, है ना? It is in the goods. Selling price of 11 meter. 11 meter. ठीक है? Now SP of 33, SP of 11, SP of 33 meter, and this will come to this side minus SP of 11 meter, and this will come to that side. It will be positive cost price of 33 meter. Okay?
Yes.
So selling price 33 minus 11 is SP of 22 meter equal to cost price of 33 meter. Right?
Yes.
And out till here.
No.
Now the selling price of 22 meter is equals to cost price of 33 meter. Hmm?
Yeah.
So the difference is of
10.
10 or 11.
11.
है ना? So the gain is 11 meter. है ना?
Yes.
On what? $22 meter.
Yes.
So 11 upon 22 multiplied with 100 equal to 50% gain. ठीक है?
Okay.
कैसे किया है? आप ये देखो ना, आप 11, 11, 11. Whenever he sold this part, whenever he sold the whole length, he gains this part as a profit. है ना? That means the actual cost price, we can say the actual investment of him should be this part, these two portion. है ना? उसने इतना ही invest किया है ना? इतना तो उसका profit मिल गया. Now this is the profit on what? This part. So 11 upon 11 plus 11 is 22 into 100. ठीक है?
Yes.
Next question. Okay, mark the next question. It's of allegation. Come to question number 4. We will do it in the end. Question number 3.
Okay.
Allegation का question है. The cost price of 25 article is equal to selling price of 20 article. Find the loss or gain percent. You can do it. Solve it. The cost price of 25 article is equal to selling price of 20 article. Price. What's this noise, Krisha?
My brother is singing.
Okay. Cost price of 25 article. है ना? Equal to selling price of 20 articles.
Yes.
Let's say you invested rupees 20 and you got only rupees 20. You invested rupees 20, 25. है ना? Cost price of any article. Cost price, that means you know the cost price. Yeah? Cost price is 25 rupees and you sold that good in rupees 20. You invested 25 and you got 20 only. What is it? Profit or loss?
Loss. Loss. Hello?
Yes.
Loss.
Cost price is of 25 articles equal to selling price of no. Cost price of 25 article is equal to selling price of 20 article. That means in 25 rupees, if you got any goods, okay, and in the same price you can sell 20 of them.
Profit.
प्रॉफिट है ना? जितने पैसे में आपने कुछ खरीदा है, ठीक है, कुछ भी आपने लिया, उतने ही वही सेम चीज यू कैन सेल इट इन रुपीज 20. ठीक है? नाउ cost price of cost price of each article rupees 1.
Yes.
Then cost price of 20 articles.
But we are just assuming that, no?
Yes. The only option available. The cost price of 20 article rupees 20. Hello?
Yes.
Isha, what are you doing?
Writing.
Okay, fix your camera, I can't see you. Okay. Okay. So the cost price of each article, let's say rupees 1. Let's say rupees 1 cost price. Then cost price of 20 article must be 20 rupees,
Huh.
right?
Huh.
So the selling price of 20 articles equal to cost price of 25 articles.
Huh.
They are saying selling price of 20 equals to cost price of 25. Okay, and the cost price CP of each article, let be rupees 1. So the CP of 25 article will be 25 rupees.
Huh.
So selling price of 20 articles equal to 25.
Yes.
Selling price of 20 articles equal to 25. 20 is the number of articles, isn't the rupees. 20 are the articles, 20 are the goods. Okay? There are 20 things which is sold at rupees 25.
Huh.
Okay? At rupees 25 only. And so there is a difference of 5. There is a gain. Is a gain 5 upon 20 multiply with 100. Let's the answer.
So 5 upon 20 into 100.
Yes, into percent.
$25.
Hmm.
25,000.
Question number 5. Question number 5.
A shopkeeper bought 80 kg of sugar at rupees 13.50 per kg and mixed it with 120 kg sugar at 16 rupees per kg. If he is to make a profit of 16%, what rate should he sell his sugar to customer?
₹80 kg of sugar at 80 kg sugar at what? 13.50 rupees each kg. Yeah. So the total will be 80 into 13.50. And what else he bought? 120 kg sugar at rupees 16 kg. Again sugar, 120 kg of sugar at rate of 16 per kg. So the total sugar of the second type is 120 into में 16. बताओ.
Oh no.
What are you doing, Risha? Risha there?
Yes. Got it. 3,000.
3,000. That means 3,000 he invests. So the cost price of all the sugar is 3,000.
Yes.
What they are saying next?
If he was to make a profit of rupees 16, what rate of 16%?
Okay. If he is to make a profit of rupees 60, profit of 16%, that means 3. This is the cost price, and he has to make 16% profit of it.
So this okay, got it. So this now
We
will
have to
find out.
find the 16% of it.
Okay.
16% of this.
$480.
480. And that means 16% of this. Now 116% of 3,000 is 3,480. We're gonna add 16%.
Yes.
We can say another thing. If he is, Risha, look here. Risha,
Yes.
if he is selling them at 16% profit, that means he is gaining 116% of the product, 16% gain.
Yes.
And if he selling them at 16% loss, then we have to find 100 minus 16 is 84%. 84% of product. Okay, na? So you have 3,000. So you need to find 116% of this.
So 3480 something.
3480. You have two ways. Like first you have to find the 16% of it, then you gonna add to it. Okay, and another is if 100% of X, let's say, is 3,000. So 116% of X will be 3,000 multiplied with 100 divided by 116. Sorry, 116, 116 into 3,000 divided by
100.
no. Solve it like what? 3,000 multiplied with divided by 116. Solve करना है इसको. Why calculator?
Shall I use calculator?
Yes, use calculator for it.
Um, 258.62.
258.58. If 100% of X is 3,000, then 116% of X will be what? 3,000 multiplied with
I'll use calculator.
divided by 100. That's how we're gonna write. Okay?
Yes.
116% of 116% of 116%.
It still comes 0.258.
116% of 3,000.
Yes, it comes 0.258.
Wait. 116.100 multiplied with 3. Now, that's how we're gonna write. 116% of 3,000 is, remove the sign of percentage. We will have 100 in the denominator.
It comes 1,04,400,000. Wait, let me do again.
20 116 multiply with 30. We got 3480. Okay.
It comes 3480.
Yes. So 116% of 3,000 we can find like this, or the earlier way was need to find 16% of this, then we're gonna add to it. जैसे हमने पहले किया था इधर. Now come to question number. Is it done? No, not yet. 3480 is the selling price. 3480 is the selling price of it. है ना?
Yes.
3480 is the selling price. Cost is 3,000, and the total sugar is 80 kg and 120 kg. That means 200 kg. At what rate he gonna sell the sugar? है ना? 200 kg. 200 kg he sell at 3480. So what's the rate per kg? Per kg, that means 3480 divided by 200.
By 200.
That's the total sugar. 80 plus 120.
Okay.
देखो हमने अमाउंट भी तो ऐड किया था.
Yeah. One second. 87 divided by 5. That will give you the answer. 17.00.
ठीक है. Read next question.
Huh?
Read next question.
Okay. A man brought cookies at 3 for a rupee. How many?
In 1 rupee he got 3 cookies, है ना? 1 रुपए में 3 उसको cookies मिल रही हैं. How many for a rupee should he sell to make a profit of 50%? वो उनको कितने में sell करे to get a profit of 50%? 50% at ₹1. उसने एक में 3 cookies खरीदी हैं.
So 50 upon 100 into 3.
हाँ, 3 क्यों? 3 तो गुड्स है ना, ये तो आर्टिकल्स है. आर्टिकल है, ये गुड्स है, ये इसका थोड़ी करेंगे. 50% उसको प्रॉफिट करना है ना? और उसने इन्वेस्टमेंट कितनी करी है? ₹1. That means that is the 100%. 100% of X is ₹1. So the 150% of 1 will be 150 into 100 into 1. That means 3/2. That means 1.5 rupees.
Why are you taking 150?
It is mentioned in the question. 3 cookies he bought for ₹1. है ना, उसने
हाँ.
एक रुपए में 3 कुकीज खरीदी है एंड ही वांट्स अ प्रॉफिट ऑफ 50% गेन ही वांट्स, ठीक है.
So 150.
हाँ, so 150% of 150% of 150 upon 100 into 1, 3/2, that means 1.5. Cost price is 1 and the selling price is 1.5.
Yes, but they have given the answer to us.
How many for a rupee should he sell?
Ma'am,
अभी
there
देखो,
is option C with 1.5, but they have
No, they have asked how many cookies. अब मुझे ये बताओ, in these rupees how many cookies he can sell. उसने एक में 3 तो खरीद ली, लेकिन
हाँ.
1.5 रुपए वो कितनी बेच सकता है? In 1 rupee, he got 3 cookies.
हाँ.
So in 3/2 rupees, let's say 3 cookies, 3/2 into 2/3, 2 cookies. In 1 rupee, 3 cookies.
हाँ.
इधर देखो, इधर देखो, 1 रुपए में उसको वो 3 कुकीज खरीदा, ठीक है.
हाँ.
तो 3/2 rupees में 3 into 3/2 will become 2/3.
How?
अच्छा, how? If I
हाँ,
ask
okay,
you,
reciprocal 2/3. Correct.
हाँ,
So 2/3 into 3.
that's the same concept. If you have one in 10 rupees, you got 5 candies, and you have 25 rupees. How many candies you gonna have? है ना?
हाँ. You can have 10, 5, 1, 1, 2, 6, 1, 2, 6, 6.
What is 1 to 6? In rupees 10, you got 5 candies. That means
So
2
1,
rupees
2,
for one.
1, 2, 6 candies.
Five upon 25
Into 10.
need to find for rupees 1 should be 5 upon 10 into 25. है ना? Unitary method से.
So
ठीक है?
हाँ.
कैसे? देखो 10 rupees में 5 candies आती है. So the next step will be in rupees 1, how many candies we can have? 5 upon 10.
Yes.
1 का निकाला, then 25 का निकालेंगे. ये आपको पता है ना, 10 का गिवन है, 1 का निकालने के लिए we're gonna divide the terms 5 upon 10. Now 1 to 25, it is greater than 1, so we're gonna multiply this number. So 5 upon 10 multiply with 25. This is 2 is 12.5 candies in rupees 25. Done?
Yes.
Question number 6. Question number 7. Anil buys a calculator for rupees 600 and sells it to Vikash at 10% profit. Vikash sells it to Chandan for 500 profit. Chandan, after using it for certain time, sells it. अच्छा, ऐसे questions में when we have a chain like this, है ना? आपको क्या करना है? Anil buys a calculator for rupees 600, which is the cost price. ठीक है? Now, he sells to Vikas at 10% profit. That means 10% profit means
110 upon 100.
110 upon 100. Yes. ठीक है? Now, Vikas sells it to Chandan for 5%.
So 100,
5%
105 upon 100.
yes, 5% of this 5% of this na profit. That means this whole multiply with 5% profit. That means 105 upon 100. We can write here 105 upon 100. Next is Chandan after you. Oh, I lost the page number.
Page number for me it is 124.
Okay, got it. Sells it to Dinesh at a loss of now it is loss of 20%. That means जितना
So
जितने भी
80.
चल रहा था amount, yes, 80 upon 100. Done.
Yes.
Question is done. Solve it.
Okay.
Disha, after this, how many chapters are left?
1.
And what is that?
Time and calendar.
Okay.
Which can I solve this with calculator?
Solve it.
With calculator.
नहीं नहीं easy है देखो. कैलकुलेटर से क्यों करना है? सारे तो 5 के मल्टीपल है. 1 2 3 4 4 0 तो ये गई है ना. इसके बाद 100 और 105 it is always 21 upon 20 है ना. 5 2s are 10, 0 2 0, 5 2s are 10, 5 1 0. ठीक है. हेलो
What do you say? I didn't understand.
निशा, look here. यहाँ तक क्लियर है? हाँ बताना क्या किया है. What? हाँ
You simplified by 5.
yes. So this 2 1s are 2 and 2 3s are 6. It is 10 here. ठीक है. 11 into 21 into 3. 11 into 3 is 30. 3 into 21 into 8 upon 10. Solve it. करो मल्टीप्लाई और सिंप्लीफाई कर दो. 4 upon 5 रहने दो. इसको 10 ही रहने दो. Because dividing by 10 is much simpler than dividing by 5. कल क्लास रखनी है ऋषा?
I don't know. I'll have to ask my mama. I don't know. I'll have to ask my mama.
Okay.
So 8. Is 5552. So that means 555.2.
5 5.
I got different answer.
What do you got?
I got 555.2.
Check the calculation. 100 upon this. ठीक है. आपकी कैलकुलेशन में कोई होगा ना. फिर से कैलकुलेट करो. 33
So same thing is coming.
21 multiply with 8 5 how is it even possible? Use the calculator. 33 multiply with 21 multiply with 8 divided by 10.
It's coming 5544 on calculation.
And 5 5 4 4 divided by 10. So 554.4. Clear?
Yes.
The calculation check करो.
Yes.
We are done for today.
Okay.
Bye, Risha.
Bye, Miss.
अच्छा ऋषा, listen.
हाँ.
आप घर पे पढ़ रहे हो?
Yeah.
You have to learn all these formula of profit and loss and all of that algebraic one chapter.
हाँ.
Okay? Bye.
Bye, Miss.